Welcome back to the Pounds Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make an automatic mouse mover in Python. So let's get started. So for this, you're going to need three libraries. So the first one you're going to need is pip install PyAutoGUI. So PyAutoGUI. Okay. After it is downloaded, download time. So pip install time. And then it must be done. So after it is done, if it shows an error, it means that it's already in a different
Imports Pi Auto GUI. Then after that import random. After that import time.
Now, the good thing about this is think that you're going out for 20 minutes and you want to keep your laptop on. So you can just put this code, run it, and then your mouse will just keep moving and you don't need to be there. Your laptop will be on for 20 minutes straight. So after you import PyAutoGUI, random, and time, you can type in while true. So x is equal to random dot ran in 670. So these are the locations. Now, if you want to get more control over your while loop, you need to put run is equal to true, and then after that, over here, put while run. It will do the same thing, but now you have more control over the while loop. Now you can stop the while loop. So y is equal to random dot ran in. So 200 to 600. So I'm just putting in positions, the x coordinates and the y coordinates. Sorry. Now PAG. So PyAutoGUI dot move to. Now PyAutoGUI basically has the control over your mouse on the keyboard. So you can use this to do anything you want to do with your mouse and keyboard. Basically, it is proof. So x, this video is a proof. So xy, so xy, and then and then the duration you want it to go from here to here. I'm going to be putting it to 0.5 seconds. It's not fast, it's not slow. The time dot sleep, it's like how many seconds it will wait until it will move again. So for testing purposes, let's put 2. Now let's run this and see what will happen. Oh, now you're seeing that the mouse is moving by itself to random coordinates. Sorry about that. So this is quite a nice application if you want to use and make it like this. Now after you can get the own control over your mouse and now you're like, how am I going to close the application? All you need to go is just press it over here. So wherever it goes, it won't change it. Now press Control C, and then it will go keyboard interrupt, and then it will just close the application. So let's go through one recap. So first, import AutoGUI random time to get more control over our while loop. We made the run variable and made the true. So while run, we get the x coordinates and the y coordinates. PyAutoGUI will move our mouse to x coordinates, y coordinates in how much time? 0.5 seconds, which was very neat. You saw back there. And then this is how many seconds after you want your mouse to move. So this is it. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. Until next time, the Punch Video Time is out.